All I really want is to be on top. Yeah, most definitely. And I like when people are talking about me still.
But with regard to his image and his sound, rejects any comparisons with Vybz Kartel.
Don't you owe a debt to Vybz Kartel?
No. I never borrow none. So, I mean, a lot of things in dancehall music. So, I mean, any artist who come close to that is gonna be up for scrutiny of being a possible copycat. That's what I say.
So you own nothing in terms of your career development, Vybz Kartel?
No. Nothing. I'm not a Gaza artist.
You are right.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
People are going to don't know one Media Fox panny up, you know. Yeah, man. So people, yeah, man, go get on the tickets. You see me? You don't know. Miami, Reggae Fest, new rules. May the 22nd. You see me? Go get on the tickets. You see it, because it's going to be a next historical moment, just like Barclays Center. You understand? You don't know. Alkaline I got it. You see it? You see me? I respect everybody who support the artists. You see me? And respect to all of the dancehall patrons who support the artists them as well, because you don't know. I want dancehall see me, you know. Yeah, man. So, this youth, over, what you call it, over TikTok, I think him named TikTok Shots, or TikTok Shot. Him kinda obsessed with Alkaline. A couple things I see him do, him always a compare Kartel, because Kartel I'm artist. But sometimes, these things with them money do, sometimes I wonder, bro. I tell you. So basically, if you look on the screen, when I say, you might try to compare where Kartel I do, the arena shows, and I do the comparison. But them say some numbers when not accurate, but they're not sure about. So basically, what I must say with Alkaline, you must say Barclays Center, Alkaline pool 14,000. See? Remember no people. Remember him say that, you know. Then him say the Miami show upcoming Tago pool 15,000. But look what him say for Vybz Kartel. Him say Vybz Kartel pool 19,500. Knowing say a Reggae Fest this in a Reggae Fest have the same setup. See? So him say Vybz Kartel pool 19,500 two night. I'm here for shame, man. I'm here say, you see some of them Gaza man here? Them desperate, dog. The arena show them what Alkaline do, it'll make them crash out. That's why them do them comparison here and just inna them feelings. For just fabricate some numbers for make them artists look good. Them not for do this, you know. You see me? What Kartel do, yeah, it's a good look for dancehall. Everybody know that. You don't know the demand. Him never got to these places for years. You don't know found out Backpan Road. We know that. It is expected for him to do all of these things. But the thing is that for them to fabricate these false numbers, it don't make no sense, bro. Because you can't have 14,000 for Alkaline and then have 19,500 for Kartel. Knowing say Barclays Center, the setup, Reggae Fest do not use the full capacity of the stadium. The arena, I say. It's not a 360 setup. So when I say the numbers, it don't make no sense, brother. I'm telling you already, bro. Kartel do him for doing a dancer. You see me? Yeah, I'm just a finish up what him never did that do. You see it? Alkaline have more years in the game. And him a do well already. At the age him there. You see what I try to say? So Kartel just a do him thing. Yeah, finish up. And you know, do something where him never did that do before him go prison. I just saw it go. You see it? But you see, when it comes to the numbers and them little things, you don't have to do it, you know, bro. You don't have to do it. But it sure you say, whatever Alkaline is doing, I put in no feelings. Because if Alkaline always dep on the road and he's the only, he's the youngest dancehall artist here do this. Right? And you compare what him do with Kartel, knowing that Kartel have a way more demand than Alkaline based on him absence from these countries and every little thing. And if you say Alkaline I do this, for sure you say Alkaline is on the right path and he's moving at a fast pace. Because he's the youngest dancehall artist doing this. Him even do this like more than like artists who did it way before him in the game. And we are talking about him alone. You understand? Him a open and close him show. Him not have a bag of cameo. Him not have a bag of artists and all of them things there. So you don't know, so the youth have a huge catalog and the people them really, you see me, people who just rate the youth, rate the music. You see me? New rules. You don't know a thing said. But if you say, una compare Cartel with Alkaline, it show me say Alkaline. When it comes to arena, it show me say Alkaline is really doing something great without all these absence and everything. That's how it show me. Because if we not go fabricate numbers which not accurate, Vice Cartel did not pull no 19,500 in Barclays Center. That's cap. We all know that. You see me? But for sure, you say, brother, if you not do them something, you not even know, so you not try belittling the artist. You don't need to fabricate the numbers, fam. Then him say, you know, the arena, Amarina Bank, arena, Cartel pool, 20,000. You know, I think I Florida, I'm shit, man. I say, bro, that's not accurate because at the CM setup thing, Cartel didn't use the whole arena. You understand? So it couldn't be 20,000. You understand? So sometimes when you do something, you not even know, say, yo, bro, you not make an artist look away if you try to fabricate. You just could have pull the right numbers. Nothing wrong. Cartel a bigger artist for Alkaline. But at the end of the day, if you not fabricate these numbers, bro, it don't make no sense. You know, only make Alkaline thing look more greater. You see me? So him say, in a Canada with Cartel though, the show, I think him say, I don't know why them do this. That's why I try to show them inner them feelings. Where Alkaline do, I pull them inner them feelings. You see me? So this are the thing now. So cause look on the date, you know, him said 2025. See him? 2025, them had the arena Cartel do. And then him say from 2024 to 2026. See him? That the man them say no. 2026. 2024 to 2026. Alkaline. That are the period, you know. Based on, remember say, Alkaline did the arena. Remember, you know? And now him not put the arena Alkaline do in a UK. The OVO, when the arena, them not put that in, them not add that in it. That's why I try to show you how them money stay. You see me? For them compare and fabricate the numbers. Because them say, in a Scotiabank arena in a Toronto Cartel pool, 55,500 people. People, these are the things we are talking about. You understand? Where it not make no sense. The only way I could have see this is if him, I must for the three show where him do, the back to back, and then him do a next one in a couple days after show. That's the only way, but you can't just put 55,500, say that him pull in there. You understand? Then him say the O2 arena, him pull 20,000 back to back. See? Them not get no numbers, you know. You see, them just work off a capacity. You see? Then him say the one in a Paris where him do 17,000. And they were Ziggy down 15,500. So he must say basically Cartel pool 187,000 crowd. And he say Alkaline pool 29,000. But you sure say them Gaza man kinda in them feelings, you see it? We never did that for do this dog. You see me? We never did that for fabricate some numbers for make Cartel look good, bro. We never did that for do that. Cartel are doing arena them. Yeah, I doing arena them. You see it? But the numbers fabricated, we never have to do that, brother. You see me? For make the youngest dancehall artists we are do the arena them, for make you know no feelings, it show me say we're not ready yet. We're not ready yet, dog. You see it? Because you have to remember, you know, people remember, go get your tickets, because the more Alkaline do arena, and more them will crash out like this. You see me? Just go get your tickets, promotional purposes. And if you look on it, you have to understand, say, brother, remember, say, Alkaline wasn't the one that go to prison. for 13 years. Right? Remember, say Alkaline wasn't the one who absent from these places. Remember, say Cartel in the business years before Alkaline. We have to remember that, fam. You see it? So at the end of the day, if you see Alkaline do this without all of them advantage of him, it shows that the youth great. So being in the game for 25 years to 30, I guess, plus the absence from physical appearance, which him put himself in a prison. You understand? Remember, say Cartel has never been to Canada in his whole entire career. So that would have been like, before him go, it would have been him never go for like 49 years. Cartel never has been into Canada. Alkaline has been. So they must see him. But he's doing all these things while people are seeing everything. So for him to pull out the arenas them, that is great. You understand? Especially to be the youngest dancehall artist who do this. Even he's doing this like more than some artists were in the game before him. Especially by himself. So these are the things one is supposed to look upon, you know. You understand? So keep on comparing Vice Cartel with Alkaline or whatever Alkaline is doing with Vice Cartel. I saw it go. Are two great artists them, but who no feel like say what not do. Because remember this, you know. Alkaline gone about 13 years in his career, brother. How much Vice Cartel gone? Vice Cartel are 50 now. You understand? Remember that. Vice Cartel got a couple years well. Alkaline reached them years in the game. But he is doing something, especially at the age. Vice Cartel never do this. At the age of 32. You understand? He wasn't doing this, so Alkaline is ahead of that time. You see me? So the show is that the youth have a brand and him have him fan base and him do these things. And remember, say the use no absence. If you do this, Alkaline run through USA already. All of them something and been at the new shows and everything. So it shows that the youth, people well want to see the youth. You see me? Him fans them always want to see him. You see it, him fans them are going forward out in the numbers. Even fans where other artists are them fans, them still go Alkaline show. Because them rate Alkaline music. You see me? So if you get up every day, compare this and that, it show me, because this, remember, you know, we're not comparing Cartel with no other dancehall artist. You understand? Alkaline is like what, 32, Vice Cartel is 50. See? So that's like, that's like 18. Vice Cartel is like 18 more years older than Alkaline. You understand? 18 more. So when you compare that, it shows that Alkaline is doing something great. Because there's no way you cannot compare this youth with just gone over a decade in the game with Cartel gone 2 decades already. You understand? Remember that. So keep on compare the two artists them. Because at the end of the day, we're not doing it with the other artists them where, remember, you know, Sizzla, Colungi and Vice Cartel are the same age, you know. You understand? At the same age. You see me? Same age thing. And a lot of dancehall artists. Shaggy, the whole of them. We're not comparing them with Vice Cartel. We're not comparing with Alkaline. So you show me say Alkaline I do something great. It has to be great. Because why you gonna compare a youth where if him not do none? You understand? And every time you do something, it show on up. You see me? Because you might just explain out and show some numbers with just 6 arena this, alright? Not knowing say Vice Cartel couldn't go to these countries and it was behind bars. You have to remember that, you know. You understand? Alkaline their road been doing what for doing. But Alkaline is selling out arenas without all that absence. So it shows say the youth think they're on a different level. These are the things you should not look about and I talk about. You see me? It shows that the youth are move fast You understand? So, one do nothing. As me said, the youth have a Miami show for all. We don't say that I go sell out. You see me? That I go sold out. You see it? The youth know him I do. The people them want to see. Them always want to see Alkaline. Because how Alkaline move, he's going to always be on a steady demand. Because he's not on the social media like that. People not see him every day. You understand? So that's the difference. You see it? So just go and do the thing. As me say, people, the Miami show forward up. The tickets them, people are buy them. You see me? Ticket are sell. You see it? It no matter what nobody wants to say, you know. People are going to talk. When it comes to Alkaline, you know, people are going to criticize them. I'm going to say this, them are going to say that. They might compare him with Cartel and all of these things. They might say, yo, him take too long to do this, Ray. But you know, if you remember this, don't feel like true, you say, all right, Cartel sell out them tickets. You have to add in the absence. You have to add in the years he has not been to this place within the years him being behind bars. So if you are going to say Alkaline take 4 months to sell out this, you have to count the years that Vice Cartel never been to the US. Which you have to say if Alkaline take 4 months, see, Cartel are going to take the years where him never been to these place. That's how you have to check it, you know. That's how you have to check it. You see me? That's how you have to check it. You see, because if Vice Cartel was doing it before, then fine. But him first I do it. You see me? Alkaline did it in 4 months. And remember, so Alkaline, when it comes to the bar, Alkaline was in Barclays Center last year. See it? I don't know the controversy thing with the vendetta people and walk up and Bounty Killer. You see me? Then the youth come have him own show now. In a Barclays Center. See? Remember, say, Vice Cartel selling out back-to-back show in a Barclays Center, right? You have to remember that it is his 20 years since he has not been into the United States. Remember that. So you have to count that. You can't just get up and say, oh, as Vice Cartel put up a ticket, this sell out. You have to use the years of absence. You have to use that. You see me? So you can't just use say, oh, Alkaline take 4. People been a say Alkaline. And for the youth to do this in 4 months, knowing that the youth in a Barclays Center with some giant artists and then come do it by himself, it's great. It's really great because enough artists are do this by themselves. You see me? And enough youth artists by themselves. You see me? So I just one of them thing there. But the more arena the youth do, I'm more now getting on the feelings. I'm not forgetting on the feelings, you know, bro. I'm not really forgetting on the feelings. You see me? Because at the end of the day, Cartel are doing thing, Alkaline are doing thing. You see me? One in the game for years, one him gone over a decade. You see me? And the youth that do this at an age where Vice Cartel never did that do it at same age. So it's a great look. See me at the end of the day, 2 of them represent dancehall. You see me? Cause una know say, una compare these artists and know say, bro, una only just make an artist look away. Because Vice Cartel is supposed to be the bigger artist. He's supposed to in demand based on absence. So when you're comparing with Alkaline now, you know say, brother, you make your artist look like the level where Alkaline there. Because we're not comparing with Alkaline every day. Remember, we're not comparing him within theme peers, you know. I'm a 50-year-old. We're not comparing him with Sizzla, them artists, the Shaggy Shag. We're not really comparing him like we're comparing with him and Alkaline. You understand? Remember, you know, a plenty artists in the dancehall. And a one young youth. See? We just gone over a decade and comparing with every day. It show me say this youth do great things. Half be great thing. Look how much young youth in a dancehall. We don't compare Cartel with them. We don't do that. You see it? So you sure say the youth are do great. So people, Miami show, the tickets them loud. You understand? Getting the tickets. You see it was just like a month away. Yeah man, you don't know. Place I go shell man. Girl, I'm ready for the girl good and everything. But you don't know one media fox pan happy. Yeah man. That is it.